Hi, everybody. It's time for us to start a new unit. So these last few weeks of school, we are going to be working on skill-related fitness components. We're going to be investigating all 6 of them, starting today. So first of all, health-related versus skill-related fitness. What are the differences? Health-related fitness is the ability to become and stay physically healthy through exercise. So we've spent a lot of time in the last 5 weeks talking about cardiorespiratory endurance, keeping your heart and your lungs healthy, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, being able to move through your body's range of motion, and why those are all important to you for your lifelong health. Skill-related fitness is very important to us as well because it improves our performance in sports and physical activities. There are 6 different skill-related fitness components that we'll be going over. But Mrs. Delano, what if I don't play sports? Do I still need skill-related fitness? And the answer is yes, and there are a few reasons why. First of all, learning a new skill helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle. And when I hear healthy lifestyle, that makes me think of those health-related fitness components. It makes it easier for us to do 60 minutes of activity a day, which is what it's recommended we all get, at least 60 minutes of physical activity a day. And that in turn will affect our health-related fitness if we're able to move our bodies for that period of time. Also, knowing your skill-related fitness levels can help you choose a lifelong activity. So maybe you're never going to be a person who participates in a competitive level of a sport, but you do it just for fun and to stay healthy. Tennis is a really good example of that, or badminton is a very good example of that. Those require skill-related fitness. So whether you participate competitively or not, we still need skill-related fitness. And lastly, it can help you remain safe throughout your life. So when I'm thinking about balance, which is one of our skill-related fitness components, that's really important as we get older to be able to not fall and get injured. And we're going to talk about how you can stay safe through all of our 6 health-related fitness components a little later. So let's review them. We've talked about them in class when we were in PE before, but we have agility, balance, and there's actually 2 kinds of balance that we'll talk about when we get there. Coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. And you'll notice for this lesson, for this unit, I picked a superhero theme, a comic book kind of superhero theme, because most of our superheroes need to have these skill-related fitness components in order for them to be a superhero. Okay, this week we're going to tackle the first one, agility. Agility, the definition, is to change the position of your body quickly and to control your body's movements. And a lot of times, agility happens in response to something else. So if you see a bear coming at you, you're going to want to change directions quickly because we don't want the bear to get to us. You're also going to want to use some speed in there too. But changing positions of your body quickly and being able to control your body's movements is really important in skills and activities like soccer. You can see I have a little soccer player down there in the corner because in the game of soccer, we don't just run in straight lines back and forth. We have to avoid defenders. We have to get to the goal. And so we have to be able to change positions quickly and control our body's movements. I have a fun little video up here because agility isn't just for humans. And so this is a little border collie named Pink. And you have to watch. She has amazing agility. Oops. Sorry about that. I gotta go back.
16-inch class. Can she make it 3 in a row?
Jump. Jump. Jump.
Are we going to get a 3?
Look at her change directions.
Weave.
Those are weave pulls. Those are weave pulls. Get that contact into that tunnel.
Jump. Back.
Backside. You hear her saying back, back.
Hit it.
King says, I got this. Just tell me where, Mom.
Teeter, go. Hit it.
Don't relax. Don't relax.
Jump. Tunnel.
You can hear Jennifer always working.
Here.
Always working. Always working.
Jump.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, that was less than 30 seconds, and I'm exhausted just thinking about it. So today, boys and girls, when you go to your grade level tab, you will be doing a little agility workout. I don't know that you'll end up being as agile as Pink the Border Collie, but we can certainly try. All right, have a great week, and don't forget, Mrs. Swearingen and I really miss you. There's our email if you want to get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget about our live Zoom today at 1 o'clock.